Up there, hiding behind.
Ow! Ow! No.
At the pit! At the multiplier!
Hit! What we get?
Taggins?
Yeah, Taggins, 3 Taggins.
Again! Gun hit.
You hit?
No, gun got hit. There's another gun.
Hey, they're up and being shot. Hey, left!
Hey, we're kamikazing.
Hey, where's the, is there a guy in that little truck?
You guys ready?
One,
Okay.
two. All 1, 2, 3.
Alright. Tell me when, tell me when. Tell me when's good. Tell me when they go down. Okay, go now. Go, 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 go. Alright, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot.
All hit. John.
What?
He's in the first floor of the white square building. He's shooting right through the fucking sun.
Yeah, I know. Oh, black. Black, black. What? Oh, fuck.
Do you have a lighter? Yes.
Oh.
No.
Yeah, what the fuck is that? Is there fire coming from over there? Are you for real? He's moving back!
Cover me. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, one's at the ship pile. One's at the ship pile. There's a guy hit over here.
He's hit. He's down. What? Yeah, how about that? We're just about out, boys. We need you.
What? You not hear me? I can't, dude. I'm talking to you the entire time. You don't hear me. I'm on channel 8. All the radios are fucked up then because we're pinned down over here.
The guys are on the left.
Hey! Get on our team.
They're shooting for steel. They don't really know we're here.
Oh yeah, Eric.
We need your help.
That's fine.
I'm gonna call
Zach,
them
we
out.
got starboard support. Do you need in?
I'm good. You guys get into the hell of a fight? We can use you on the hill. I'll head that way.
Alright, see that see that kind of wreck field fort right there with the wood? We got Maria there and she's pinned down. She's right in there. Alright, I'll get you there. Come on, let's go! We need firepower! Oh, dang.
No way. Got ammo? Need it? I should have hit that girl. We got a little bit left in here. I don't know if I can use this.
Not fucking painting, Billy.
That's time! Time's up!